Hello my dear friends, this is Sunny from WMT CNC Industrial Co. Limited. As is known to all, vertical CNC machining center is the most widely used equipment in factories and workshops. What do you know about WMT CNC machining centers? Today I will show you. The CNC machining center key components are famous brand, linear guideway hearing brand from Taiwan, ATC of Okata brand from Japan, or Elmac brand from Taiwan, Spindle Wallis brand from Taiwan, electronic parts, Schneider brand from Switzerland. Each machine is inspected and tested qualified by our 30-year experience QC before delivery. The testing running will be lasting for at least 40 hours to make sure that every machine function performs well. Laser interferometer is a well-established method for measuring distances with great accuracy. Interferometer is a measurement method using the phenomenon of interference of waves, usually light, radio, or sound waves. Laser interferometer is used to describe the techniques that use light waves for the study of changes in displacement. This displacement measuring interferometer is extensively used for calibration and mechanical state motion control in precision machining. Follow me, your business insider in China. Wish to see you in next video.